Hi friends, I am Al Hossain Malik, Kolkata Interior Designers Decoration Services Provider. Friends, check out this 3 BHK interior designing idea made with our designs. This type of 3 BHK interior designing complete decoration service you can make in Kolkata, Havda and West Bengal region with a budget of 7 to 8 lakh rupees. Our designers provide complete interior designing and decoration service ideas for Kolkata, Havda and West Bengal customers as per your requirement and your family's choice. WhatsApp your home plan to Kolkata interior designers to create reasonable price your home interior designing and complete decoration service as per your and your family's choice. Our designers provide complete free interior designing and decoration service ideas for Kolkata, Havda and West Bengal customers as per your requirement and your family's choice. Friends, this bedroom is made as a puja room as per our customers' requirement. This bedroom is made puja unit with wardrobe in front of puja unit CNC Jali design, and this bedroom has a beautiful false ceiling and matching wall painting. See, false ceiling design 16-inch tray design is made by our designers. This bedroom design is made in a simple way because in this bedroom the customer already has a bed, side table and a dressing table. By placing it here, we have made this bedroom design. Friends, this is 10 feet by 11 feet 6-inch master bedroom. A 6 feet by 7 feet cupola where our designers have designed a wardrobe designing. Our designers have designed the south wall a king-size hydraulic storage bed and side table on both. Friends, this bed design is made with white and black color printed matte finish laminate, and a north wall 5 feet by 7 feet LCD unit is designed. The wardrobe, bed, side tables, and LCD unit are made of matching laminates. The bathroom door and main door of this bedroom are made of designer laminate. Friends, how do you like this bedroom design? You must tell us in the comments. Also, let us know what kind of design you want. Friends, check out these kitchen cabinet designing ideas designed by our designers for 6 feet by 8 feet kitchen. This kitchen design is designed with lower upper cabinets and loft as per our customers' requirements to get more storage. To get your home interior designing and complete decoration service ideas, you must WhatsApp Kolkata Interior Designers. Kolkata Interior Designers provide the best interior designing in Kolkata, Havda and West Bengal region as per customers' requirement and budget. Friends, according to your family's requirement, you can design the kitchen cabinet from our designers, and you can design the color combination of your kitchen cabinet according to your family's choice. Our designers will show you kitchen cabinet accessories like cutlery, cup and saucer basket, plate basket, plan basket, partition basket, dustbin, detergent holder. You can get interior designing and complete decoration services for your home according to your family's choice at a very low cost in Kolkata, Havda, and the West Bengal region. Our designers offer complete interior designing and decoration services according to your house layout and photos. Best interior designing offer and complete decoration service for your home. Must WhatsApp once Kolkata Interior Designers. Friends, to make your 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 4 BHK flat or residential house best luxury interior designing in Kolkata at reasonable price, must contact Kolkata Interior Designers once. Your site plan and requirement, WhatsApp Kolkata Interior Designers. Kolkata Interior Designers, the best offers as per your requirement and budget in Kolkata, Havda, West Bengal area. For your home interior designing, complete decoration and renovation best offers, best luxury design ideas. Contact Kolkata Interior Designers. Your home side plan. Kolkata Interior Designers. WhatsApp for best interior designing and complete decoration ideas for your home. Friends, check out this corridor falls ceiling design idea where our designers have designed for 15 feet by 4 feet area, and this falls ceiling with gypsum and CNC jolly design has been created by our designers as per our customer chose. Friends, check out this falls ceiling design ideas created by our designers for living and dining room. This living and dining room size 17 feet by 12 feet. Friends, please comment how you like this living room falls ceiling lighting design and let us know you like what kind of falls ceiling lighting for living room in your home. We will create according to your choice living dining falls ceiling designing. Friends, you must visit our website www.kolkata-interior_design-cost_in-kolkata.html to get 3 BHK interior designing ideas from our designs. This page will give you many ideas about the cost of interior designing and decorating your home. Here you will get a detailed designing idea of how our various 3 BHK sites are constructed and budgeted. Friends, this is 10 feet by 11 feet guest bedroom design ideas. See the false ceiling. Friends, WhatsApp your home Kolkata Interior Designers to get best 3 BHK interior designing complete decoration service ideas, best offer price as per your requirement and budget. As soon as our designers get the site plan of your house, you can know in advance from our designers how your bedroom, living room, kitchen room interior designing and complete decoration service will be and what kind of design it will be and how much it might cost you. Get the best offer price from our designers.